These packaged gas furnaces are made by Goodman Manufacturing, which is a part of Daikin Global. The units have all aluminum evaporator coils which resist corrosion and variable speed blower motors for quiet and efficient operation. They use louvered metal panels to protect the condenser coil from mechanical damage, which is superior to brands that use wire grills. The units use aluminized steel tubular heat exchangers which resist corrosion, but they are not as durable as brands that use stainless steel construction. They are sold through an authorized dealer network, but their warranty on the heat exchanger is not very good when compared to other brands. The units use R410A refrigerant, which is not as environmentally friendly as brands that use R32. The GPG14M models combine a basic 14-seer air conditioner with a basic single-stage 80% AFUE gas furnace, while the GPG14M units pair a basic heat pump with the gas furnace. The GPG16M units combine a basic 16-seer air conditioner with a 2-stage 80% AFUE gas furnace.